This is a simple and fast review of the K-Swiss SI-18 Rival Classic Heritage leather sneakers. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get these out of the box, I'm going to just show you the one up close, and then we'll try them on and take it from there. But great looking shoe. Flat sole. Really good looking all around. Nice design, good thick laces. Pull out the inside to kind of get you a better feel for the bendability. So the front will bend, beautiful leather. Got size 11s here. Good padding inside, so we'll go ahead and try them on and then test them out and let you know. But these look great. I'm excited about them. This is the SI-18, by the way. All right, so as I put these on, I'm gonna just point out something, that they come pre-laced, and to me that is that's pretty phenomenal. Actually, I absolutely love that. Not having to redo laces or anything like that. They are clean with the lace. They're all flat. To me, that's just important, because whenever I have to lace up my sneakers, I don't necessarily do a great job. So I'm going to just show you that kind of how they lace up. I'm going to double knot them, and then I'm going to be wearing these out for a little bit in the next couple days before I finish up this review. But I just wanted to kind of point out that one thing, that first of all, they feel great. They go on smooth and easy. They tie nicely, and they're super comfortable already. So I'm kind of looking forward to kind of the way that they move around. You know, initial squeaks and everything the first time you wear these, but they actually feel really good. As mentioned, they're kind of a flat heel, so compared to some kind of you know, other brands, other looks, they feel really good so far. So like I said, I'm going to wear these out a little bit and then finish up the review. We'll take it from there. All right, so I've been wearing these for a number of days, probably about a week, and they're super comfortable. The only issue is when I take them off, I tend to kick right there, so I've kind of left some marks on the back on this side. But overall, they're really they're great. They're holding up fantastic. It's not like I run in puddles or anything, but from just daily wear, they look great and have held up really, really nicely. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.